Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add audio in Canva video. So let's get started. First, open the video you want to edit. Once you are in, go to the left hand toolbar and here you will see the audio option. Once you click on that, here you will see a list of audio tracks available. If you have Canva Pro, then you can use the available Pro audio tracks. But if you don't have it, just click on the music free and here you will see the list of audio tracks that are free to use. So I am selecting this song and drag it and drop into the timeline. Now you can just adjust it according to the size of videos. If you want to increase or decrease the volume of the audio track, then you can just move the slider and you can do it. Now, if you have to make any animation on the video, so you just try to click on the video and you will see here the animation option. So you can do this with the help of this tool, and after that click on the play button to preview it, and if you find everything is good, then click on the share button at the top right side and download it. So that's it, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.